Hi, I'm Colin, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to mend a Qualcast E30 lawnmower or scarifier that appears not to be working. This is my scarifier. It's an E30 and it's been great. However, this year, the minute the tines hit the grass, it just stopped. The belt was spinning. The top drive belt pulley is in two parts. Because this nut had slackened, it meant the two parts had spread wider than they should have been, causing the belt to slip. As a result, the belt's quite badly worn, hence the reason it wasn't driving the tines the way it should have. New belt, fairly costly, but I managed to get one locally at a reasonable price, cheaper than the internet, would you believe. The two belts look very similar, but the one on the right, because it's been slipping, has worn thin. Belt's on and it's correctly tensioned at between 10 and 15 millimeters, and that should be it, working perfectly again.